Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how to remove close friends on Instagram. Maybe you want to remove a person into your close friends on Instagram but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can remove person on your close friend on Instagram. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application and log in with your Instagram account. And then in here, you'll be directed into this Instagram homepage. In here, simply tap on this profile icon at the lower right corner of your screen. From your profile page, tap on these three lines at the upper right corner of your screen. And then in here, select Settings and Privacy. And you will see here who can see your content. And here below, you will see Close Friend. Tap on these Close Friends. If you want to remove a person on your close friends, simply tap on this check button to uncheck it. After that, tap on this done button to confirm it. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can remove person on your close friend, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can remove close friends on your Instagram, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.